What's happening? You know what day it is? Game day, baby. And you know we gotta eat good on game day. So let's get to it. Today we got some Dr. Pepper pulled pork, and it's going down. Simple, easy, and quick. Why? Why else? Because we using an Instant Pot, baby. Let's get it. Alright, so look. First thing first. Make sure you have your little tray that came with your Instant Pot. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there, like so. So our braising liquid, it's, again, everything will be on boldcancook.com, the full recipe, but we got some Dr. Pepper, of course. We got some apple juice, some apple cider vinegar, and hickory liquid smoke, so we can get that flavor, even though we're not, nowhere near a grill right now. So we're gonna go ahead and take that first. All those ingredients, pour them into the bottom. All right, so now that you got the liquid in the pot, our meat of choice that we're gonna use is a Boston butt. Shoulder, whatever you wanna call it. But what we did is we went ahead and cut it into cubes. About that size. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. I realized though, once I was cutting it, that I could have just got some country style ribs and use those and cut it up. I wouldn't have to worry about the bone, but whatever you have, whatever's on sale, because that's the most important thing nowadays, whichever one you want to use. So after you get that cut up, however you want it to be cut up, next is going to be your spice blend. This spice blend here will consist of some brown sugar, some black pepper, kosher salt, sweet paprika, regular paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. Yeah, that's about it. Again, the full description will be on the website, but just to give you an idea. So we're gonna basically take some of that. And we're gonna cover these. And we're gonna leave about a cup of it left in the bowl. In this bowl, leave a cup left, and that's gonna go for our Dr. Pepper barbecue sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and mix that. Looking good. It's looking beautiful. All right. After that, you're gonna go ahead and take your meat and you're gonna add it to your pot. On your tray, of course. Get your top, that bad boy locked. And as usual, pressure cook on high. This cook is gonna go for 40 minutes. 40. Go ahead and start it. And once that's finished, that's pretty much a wrap for that. In the meantime, while that's going, we're gonna work on our Dr. Pepper barbecue sauce. All right, right back. All right, you guys. So while this is going, let's go ahead and whip up this little sauce really quick. So of course, it wouldn't be Dr. Pepper barbecue sauce without Dr. Pepper. So we're gonna add some Dr. Pepper. We're gonna also add some brown sugar. The remaining seasoning, the remaining spice blend, we'll go ahead and add that. We'll go ahead and add a 20-ounce bottle of your favorite ketchup. About a tablespoon of some Dijon mustard. About a tablespoon of some Worcestershire sauce. Fourth of a cup apple cider vinegar, and about a teaspoon of liquid smoke. We'll get that a stir. I forgot one thing. A little crushed pepper flake, about a teaspoon. So you're gonna let that sauce go on medium low. This is basically while this is going. Just let it do its thing. It'll simmer. It'll thicken up a little bit, and you'll be smelling it. Definitely, I already smell it. So yeah, get that going. When this is done, we'll bring it all together, make a sandwich, and we'll be ready for the game. Let's go. All right, y'all, so timer has went off. It's the moment of truth. Go ahead and let that release go. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. So I'm gonna just take a little bit out, just so we can see how tender it is, and we'll dress up a little slider. That's what we're going for today. So let's see. It is. No effort. Super tender. So of course you can take it all out, put it in a bowl, shred it up with some knives, some claws, whatever you want to do. But all right, so that sauce that we made, I put it in a little sauce bottle just so might make it for easier serving. I actually turned it off when the pot hit 10 minutes remaining, so just FYI. So I'm bringing a little slider bun. Nothing too fancy, because you know the kids don't. This is for the kids. You know, you can toast it, you can butter it, put it on the pan, whatever. You do what you like. But I'm just gonna take it right out the pack for now. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put some sauce on it. Okay. That was super messy. So maybe this bottle wasn't the best idea. Gonna hit it with a little more sauce. Top it with a little pickle. You know, the norm is coleslaw, and you know, however you want to do it, okay? This is just the recipe on the pork. Dress it up how you feel. Dress it up, or not. Keep it basic like this, but that flavor gonna come through. Let's see. I'm not even gonna be cute with it. Bro, that's so good. Y'all can clean the plate real quick. Sorry. Not sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Anyway, y'all make sure you check the recipe out. Make sure you follow your boy, Bo Can Cook. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you can get all the notifications whenever a new video drop. Check out the recipe at bocancook.com. BEAUCANCOOK.com. Who dat? Let's go. Peace.